How you doing? I'm Michael London from Rockaway. I'm part of the construction division. Starting a project here, a pretty in-depth one. It's an outdoor kitchen and a indoor screen room with a fireplace, entire kitchen area, some new decks, a complete rehab of the backyard. The first step is we're bringing in all the lumber to do the structural on the decks, and we will then call in for a structural inspection for both of the deck areas before we can start building the actual enclosed areas and the gables and the roofs. After the initial inspection for the footers and the framing on both the decks, we began laying all the decking, and after the decking was done, we got another inspection for the decking to make sure that it adheres to the code. And the next step is putting in all the columns and getting the framing that is off the ground to be checked. And after that, we're going to be doing the roofing, which needs another inspection. So it's multi-tiered inspections for every step we take. After we got the sub-roofing done, we had a roofer come in and do the entire project in one day. And then we had another inspection after that. And now we're working on the interior, putting all the walls in, putting all the brick near the fireplace, putting all the columns and beams in. And after that, it's another inspection. For the interior ceilings of the kitchen and the screen room, the client wanted a 1x3 tongue and groove, run the entire ceiling and screen room, and wanted the same thing in the kitchen area but stained a different color. And the interior walls is 1x6 tongue and groove, so we literally build it on the ceiling as we go the entire time, nailing it in so there's no nail holes.
Put a little bit of quarter round around the joists. We have collar ties all between to code what they asked for. And we're gonna be having lights hanging down and a kitchen in this area with plumbing and electrical. And this is gonna be it's gonna all be an open design. With the fireplace, we decided to go with a system called Genstone. It's pretty much a modular brick system that you install right onto the face of the fireplace. A gas system's coming in here and we're gonna drop that in and install it. There's gonna be a TV going up here. For the ceiling, we had 13 joists or rafters that were going through the ceiling, 2x12s, and we decided to put faux beams up on the top. We built these beams on site and put them in instead of like over there, actually going in between the existing beams because we wanted even spacing. And we had to level off all the joists because of different widths on all the joists. And there's probably about 2,000 nails in this ceiling out of cedar. The walls have 1x6 tongue and groove, and the ceilings have 1x3 tongue and groove, and they all interlock. And just stay tuned and we'll keep you updated on the progress of the project, and you'll be able to see the finishing results when it's all done.